Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message on one of my videos stating that I use the Smart Fill tool too much. He goes, why don't you just go click on the color and make it the color? Well, these are both curves. This is a curve on layer one. This is a curve on layer one. You've got this one selected. You hit blue, it turns blue. You select this one, you hit blue, it doesn't turn blue because it is a closed, or it's a open curve where this is a closed curve. I know that I opened it up right here. These two nodes are close enough to Smart Fill, and that's why I Smart Fill most of the time, is to make a new object and left click and right click, and now that same curve is closed, and I can now change the color if I want just by picking it. It will not allow you to color in something that could possibly leak, I guess, or not a closed curve. Because you could actually take this thing, and that's what the Smart Fill really does. It puts these two together. Now, you see, as soon as I put them together, it turned it blue because I was trying to. Another way you can do it is select it all and go up to Object, turn the outline to an object. Well, you can't even do that. I was thinking you could weld it, but you cannot fill that in anything but with the Smart Fill. And when you do the Smart Fill, basically what the Smart Fill tool is doing is making a new object. So now we have a new object, the same size, exactly the same size, except for the corners are closed, much like the weld tool does in some cases. So I hope that kind of explained it to him and why I use the Smart Fill tool a lot more than most people do. I use it instead of welding. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool. And just to show you what the Smart Fill tool can do, talking about making a new shape, it won't go past that line, so you just made a completely different shape. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.